Have you ever wished you could bring your loved ones back to life? Well, there's a new app that turns old photos into short video clips that kind of make that feel like a reality, at least for a few seconds. It's called the MyHeritage app. Here's how to use it. Ever since genealogy company MyHeritage launched this app, it's been a huge hit on social media. People have been using this app to take old photos of their loved ones and turn them into short videos that show them moving their heads and blinking and making facial expressions that just feel super realistic. It's all powered by a feature called Deep Nostalgia, which can animate faces and photos and make it look like they've really come to life. I'm gonna try this out on an old picture of myself because I feel like that'll bring an ultimate creepy meets cool factor into all of this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and download the MyHeritage app, and you can get this on Google Play or on the App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you're gonna go ahead and open it. Then you're gonna see an option here for photos, so I'm gonna hit that. And then I'm gonna see this little plus icon in the bottom right corner. Click that and then click Add Photos. After that, you'll see all of your downloads, all of the pictures that are on your phone. So you're gonna go ahead and click the picture that you want and then hit this little check icon. Then you're gonna go ahead and hit upload. After that, your picture will show up here, and then to animate it, you're gonna wanna click on it. And then you're gonna see a little circle icon up at the top with little lines coming out of it. So this one, you're gonna hit this, and then it will enhance your photo and then animate it. So it looks like they're enhancing the photo first. We're gonna see how this works. We're animating your photo. This may take a few seconds, okay. Bracing myself for the weirdness. Oh my God, this is... And there's me looking around and it looks very real. This is so creepy. I don't even want to watch this anymore. I bet this is really cool when you do it on people that you miss. I'm just, okay, I can't look away, but I also don't want to look at it. Yeah, just looking around, observing, as any child would. I have just this air of innocence about me. It's very cute, but so freaking weird. Okay, so there's that. People have also been using this app to bring famous people back to life. And so I'm gonna try that too. I have a picture here of Abraham Lincoln, and I'm gonna see what he would look like if he was, you know, moving around in this old picture of him. I'm gonna click on the picture. I'm gonna click on this little circle up here, and then it should animate it. Yeah, people have been having fun kind of seeing what people who were around before video cameras and stuff, what they might look like if they were moving. And there's Mr. Abe Lincoln moving his head around. He looks a little bothered, like he looks like he's a little uncomfortable. A little sad too. And that's all there is to it. Now you can download the app and try animating photos of your loved ones or yourself or anyone from history that you'd like to see come to life. If you found this helpful, subscribe to How to Do It All and ring that bell for more notifications. Also, check out our camera how-to videos, like this video on how to turn your iPhone into a webcam, something that is super helpful these days. And let us know in the comments if you find this MyHeritage app to be cool or creepy or a combination of the two. Thanks for watching.